All right, what's going on?
What the fuck's your problem?
Why do you keep pulling in front of me and slowing down? You did it like 5 fucking times.
My car's on cruise control at 80, dumb fuck. Shut the
Then why'd you
up.
keep slowing down?
You brake checked me. You want my fucking 40 down here, bro?
I didn't brake check you. If I brake checked you, would have crashed. Look at the size of your brakes. Look at your brakes. Your brakes are like this fucking big. If I brake checked you, we would have crashed.
On this phone, fucking record it, dummy.
Good.
You want to get shot? Do it again. You're lucky my 4-year-old's not with me. You would have been shot. All right? Yeah,
you brake check people and then murder them. I'm sure daily.
Yeah,
I'm sure you do that all the time.
I brake checked you. My car's on fucking cruise control. Shut the fuck up, like you know, with your cool ass Corvette, like you're so fucking cool.
Yes,
right?
that's correct.
That makes you cool. That makes you allowed to fucking brake check me.
I didn't brake check you.
I have it on video, the whole fucking thing.
I'm glad you do. You've got proof I didn't do shit.
Your ass. Pull over. Do it. You want to act tough? Let's fucking act tough.
I'm sure, man. You kill people daily. I'm sure you do. I'm sure you do it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I was floored. It had like over 2 million. It's going. It's still going. It's still going. Yeah.
So you famous, kind of famous. Y'all better make sure y'all book her for your party. She got Cardi B reposting her. Has Cardi ever reached out to you and asked you to do something for her?
Not yet.
You should keep going. Keep doing artists like that. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. We put it into the universe right here. The Catch Up Show, man. You are dope. I appreciate you do the Catch Up Show one more time.
Go. Ask this question real quick. So we already got all the dope specifics about everything that you do. You playing the violin and all that. You know, all money. So the number one question that I have, and I don't know if the other people want to know this, but it's something that I gotta know.
On camera.
It's your tires, bro. Oh, what a loser.
You had to use a little feed to keep me alive. And the people that
Stop it!
when they put me up on the therapy ward over 6 months,
Another one breaking the law. 90 miles an hour into 60.
And I just wanted to praise them and thank them for the good service they provided, other than the coronavirus, because other people have diseases and problems. That's right. So how are you doing, Chuck? I'm getting there. There you go. I'm able to move around some by myself.
Well, that's awesome, Chuck. We appreciate you calling in and
Near
letting everybody
100
know
miles
what a
an
great
hour
job
to keep
our
up with
medical
this
workers
cop.
are doing out there in our community. It's 817 in the Big Tonga, WGMA.
Good morning. The right lane is still blocked 26 eastbound, approaching the 212 split to 526. Apparently this was an earlier non-injury accident. couple of emergency vehicles are still on the scene, and again, they are blocking the right lane. So use care going by there. Drive carefully. I'm Sherry Bernardi. Need to manage a changing workforce? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit expresspros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support you.
Yes, sir. Can I see your supervisor? Why? You was doing 100 miles an hour when you went past me. I got you on my speedometer. You was doing 100 miles an hour, sir.
All right.
And you didn't have your blue lights on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
If I did that, you'd pull me over and give me a ticket.
Would I?
Yes, sir.
All right. Why are you wearing your seatbelt?
I just took it off because I thought I was going to get out and talk to you.
All right. Well, great. If you have an issue with what I did,
Yes, sir. What's your name and badge number,
you can
please?
see it right there. Call Charles County.
What's your name and badge number, sir? You're supposed to tell your name and badge number to anybody who asks, sir. That's your policy. Okay, 82247. There you go, guys and gals. You see tyranny at its best. Tyranny at its best, y'all. Tyranny at its best. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna see what his boss has to say, you guys. Yeah, that's what happens when a piece of crap cop, see, he refused to even tell me his name. He pointed at it like, you know how they do. See, this is just once again showing that our tax money gets spent on people who are tyrannous. He's a cop. What he did was clock me. He's a cop that clocks people. Okay, he's got a clock in the back of his radar in the back of his window. That's how he knew he seen me speeding. I was doing 100 miles an hour catching up with him. And you see, I followed him. I'm gonna let him pull me over. I was gonna pull him over. And that's exactly what I did. And now you see what he did. I said, you'd have pulled me over and gave me a ticket for that, would I? Yeah, you dang no sure would have. So yeah, I'm gonna follow through with this, guys and gals. Make no mistake. I'm busy right now, but when I do that, I'm gonna go live when I do it, when I call. And get this information and let them know what's going on. But anyway.
Chasing him. He threw a cup at him just a minute ago. Oh, he's getting out. He's gonna whoop that ass with a stick. His dog hopped out. He said, come here, pup. Oh my goodness. Hopped out with the crowbar. He's still gonna try and chase him, I think. This guy. That car already done turned around, look. It's coming back right now. He's whipping on. He's gonna chase him. He thinks they're still going that way. Here they come, right there. Damn! I wonder who's driving it. Let's see. Guy's hauling ass. Maybe he thinks I'm chasing him.